When I purchased the boat, there were no winches anywhere on the boat. Winches were misplaced or possibly just walked off. So I got some from the actual boat designer. He had some laying around. We're going to install these. Made up this plate just to lift it a little bit so that it would be more in line with the track. For the jib sheet, between the winch and the base plate, we've got butyl tape. On the other side, underneath this hole, there's also butyl tape. The difficulty with this one here, as opposed to the one I did last night, is this one and that one over there, I can't do it myself because I can't reach underneath from underneath the hull down below, where I've got to ratchet these up to Loctite the nuts. So I'm going to ask my wife to come up and hold these, and we'll just screw them down, and then everything else goes on top. Final step is putting that on the winch, putting the self-tailer on there, locking it down. It's been cleaned, it's been greased, and so let's get this on. And now we will. Looks good. Now when the thing comes along, it'll self-tail into the cockpit. So it's one of the things you got to watch for, making sure this is in the right direction. Now, all of them on.
With my wife's help, I was able to, all tighten down. I just got to get the butyl tape off there, and then we're good to go.